I'm really bored and I was just eating Domino's, right? And it took me back to a time where I was on Skype with Adam Waithe 2 days ago. And if I show you this, you could probably guess why. Because this is a very fizzy drink, and what happens when you drink it is this. That's the shittest bag ever. But anyway, you get the idea. He doesn't stop fucking burping, and when he burps, he gets right up in your fucking face. It's the most annoying thing ever. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. I feel one coming now. It's coming. Ready? Oh, that shit as well. You're a strange fucking child.